Meet the Nuwave Bravo XL, a 12-in-1 smart oven powerhouse. With a 30-quart capacity, it's a food stadium for your kitchen. Adjust on the fly with top and bottom heaters for VIP food treatment. The integrated temperature probe is your personal food babysitter, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. With 112 presets, it offers more options than a buffet. Linear T technology ensures precision, eliminating hot and cold spots. The 50 degrees to 500 degrees range lets you bake cookies or sear steak with ease. The tempered glass door allows you to peek at perfection without fogging up your glasses. Non-stick accessories make cleanup a breeze, and healthier air frying reduces fat by 85%. The Nuwave Bravo XL is more than an oven. It's your culinary command center. Its sleek, brushed stainless steel finish makes it a statement piece. The intuitive control panel and clear digital display let you switch between modes effortlessly. The temperature probe monitors your food in real time, ensuring perfect results without guesswork. With 112 presets, you can cook anything from crispy fries to juicy roasts. Linear T technology ensures even heat distribution for perfectly cooked meals. The 50 degrees to 500 degrees temperature range makes it incredibly versatile. Slow cook a tender roast or sear a steak to perfection. The tempered glass door lets you keep an eye on your food without losing heat. Non-stick accessories make cleanup easy, and the air frying function reduces fat by up to 85%, allowing you to enjoy guilt-free fried foods. In summary, the Nuwave Bravo XL is the multitasking chef your kitchen deserves. With its advanced features, versatile functions, and sleek design, it elevates your cooking experience. Upgrade your cooking game with the Nuwave Bravo XL and enjoy delicious, perfectly cooked meals every time.